This is the College of Nursing Katsina, wearing a special look and ready to produce more committed nurses. The renovation has been done in accordance with the specifications given by the National Council for Nursing and Midwifery, an effort that has opened up a new chapter in the history of the college.
For the accreditation drive, what we have spent is over 100 million naira. And what we did was to look at the accreditation requirements enumerated by the Nursing and Midwifery Council. We had a checklist and we're going through them one at a time to see that we actually meet the minimum requirements for the accreditation. And this 100 million is just actually for infrastructure. One critical issue that had hindered or prevented our schools from getting full accreditation was the student-tutor ratio, which is the ratio of how tutors to students. The requirement of the Nursing and Midwifery Council is 1 to 10. Unfortunately, we didn't have that number. So the 100 million I'm talking about is in terms of infrastructure, school buses, renovations. But for the human resource, we had to recruit over 40 workers across the cadre, specifically about 20 tutors for the schools.
The renovations almost is, let me say, it's all over the school, but I can say fat by fat. There is no water lodging in any part of the school now. So beside that, they have also constructed a recreation center for the students. And then also, they have put some sporting facilities for the female students. They have the volleyball pitch just close to the auditorium. And likewise, they have also constructed a computer room, additional computer room. Now we have 2 computer rooms with 25 computers connected with internet.
A similar effort is also going on at the College of Midwifery Malamfashi to ensure that no stone is left unturned as far as the progress of the 2 colleges are concerned, a deliberate move to produce more health workers for the state.
The School of Midwifery in Malamfashi too, we've gone far in terms of the needs for it to meet its accreditation status. One important thing for the accreditation of the schools is the number of qualified tutors that you have. And as it is today, we have the number of qualified tutors that warrant its accreditation for the status it is today.
One of the projects was to demarcate between the hospital and the school. And another project that they will be taking care of is the lights. We were lacking a sick bay. There is no matron's office. So they have now created a space to provide a sick bay, a matron's office, which they will later provide a matron for them. And then they have now created a reading hall. That reading hall, they are going to equip it with solar inverters, with solar panels and inverter.
The 2 colleges being supervised by a provost has never had it so nice like ever before. The state government is focusing much attention on the institution to provide all it takes to make them the best in the country for the realization of a quality health care to the people.